how to get past an Amazon suspension with a 3-section plan of action. This is information every single Amazon seller needs to know. Okay, so we win more reinstatements for Amazon sellers, both account reinstatements and listing reinstatements, by using a formula that works, and I'm going to teach you right now how to get past Amazon suspensions with a 3-part plan of action. Well, first is the first section. The first section is the root cause of the issue. You have to do an Amazon deep dive and identify what you think was the root cause of the problem. Now, I don't advocate you admitting to doing anything wrong, but we can always improve. So the root cause should be what caused your account or your listing to go down, but said in a positive way. The second section of a successful plan of action is almost always, what was your immediate corrective action? You want to let them keep it, you want to send them a new one, you want to do a refund to make Amazon's consumer happy, and that verbiage is vital because Amazon considers every single consumer to be Amazon's consumer, not your customer. The third section of winning plans of action is the section that requires the most thought and the greatest persuasive writing, and that is, how are you going to change your business? What are the long-term changes or the systemic changes you're going to make to how you're running your Amazon-based business? You want to identify processes you can improve, people you're going to train or retrain, and don't be shy about putting them in your plan of action by name and date of hire. New software solutions, new automations you're going to include to take the chance of human error out of the way of how you run your Amazon-based business. So those are the 3 sections of a winning plan of action. It's what me and my awesome team uses to get reinstatements 7 days a week. If you want to learn more about avoiding Amazon suspensions or how to win reinstatements, go to our website and download the greatest book in the world on avoiding Amazon suspensions and getting your listings and your accounts reinstated as quickly as possible. And if you want my advice, you can contact me in any one of these 4 ways, and either me or an incredible member of my team will get back to you as soon as possible.